vegetables? First of all, draw the box like balloons. Draw this 5 times. This is very easy drawing. Wow, that's awesome. Draw the leaves. Then draw the upper part of the drawing. That's awesome. Do you enjoy it? I like coloring. It also looks amazing. I also use the blue. Blue is also my favorite color. Don't forget to color in the leaves. I enjoy a lot. If you like, then like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So I coloring in this drawing. Do you like coloring? Tell me what's your favorite color. My favorite color is pink. So I use this color in the drawing. Wow, that's awesome. I use different color in the drawing. Different color looks so beautiful. It looks like rainbow.com. Use the yellow color. Yellow color looks so beautiful. Let's coloring with me. Don't forget to use the orange color.